The 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 454 is a powerful and stylish modern muscle car that pays homage to the legendary Impala models of the past while incorporating cutting-edge technology and design. This latest version of the Impala SS is engineered to offer an exhilarating driving experience, blending performance, luxury, and innovation into a single package that appeals to both classic car enthusiasts and modern performance lovers. Under the hood, the 2025 Impala SS 454 houses a beastly 7.4-litre V8 engine that produces a staggering 650 horsepower and 650 pounds-to-feet of torque. This massive power plant is an advanced version of Chevrolet's iconic big block engine, re-engineered with direct fuel injection, variable valve timing, and an advanced cooling system to maximize efficiency and performance. The power is transmitted through a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, ensuring seamless shifts and responsive acceleration. The Impala SS 454 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest full-size sedans on the market. The exterior design of the 2025 Impala SS 454 strikes a perfect balance between classic and contemporary aesthetics. The muscular stance, aggressive front grille, and signature SS badging instantly remind enthusiasts of its high-performance heritage. LED headlights with adaptive lighting technology provide superior visibility, while the aerodynamic enhancements, including a rear spoiler and functional hood scoops, contribute to improved downforce and cooling. The body is constructed with a combination of lightweight aluminium and high-strength steel, enhancing durability without compromising speed and handling. The 20-inch forged aluminium wheels wrapped in high-performance tires further amplify its aggressive presence on the road. Inside the cabin, Chevrolet has crafted an interior that exudes both luxury and sportiness. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching provide maximum comfort, while carbon fiber and brushed aluminium accents elevate the high-performance feel. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data, navigation, and customizable displays. The 15-inch infotainment touchscreen is equipped with Chevrolet's latest MyLink system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced AI voice assistant for seamless connectivity. The 2025 Impala SS 454 does not compromise on safety and driver assistance technologies. It comes equipped with Chevrolet's Super Cruise, a semi-autonomous driving system that enables hands-free driving on compatible highways. Additionally, features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system ensure a safe and confident driving experience. The reinforced chassis and advanced airbag system further enhance passenger protection. When it comes to suspension and handling, the 2025 Impala SS 454 features a magnetic ride control system that constantly adapts to road conditions, providing a smooth and controlled ride. The performance-tuned suspension includes adaptive dampers and a rear-limited slip differential, allowing for precise cornering and stability at high speeds. The Brembo high-performance braking system, with 6-piston calipers in the front and 4-piston calipers in the rear, ensures exceptional stopping power, crucial for a car with such immense power. Chevrolet has also integrated an advanced exhaust system that features an adjustable valve mechanism, allowing drivers to switch between quiet mode for daily commutes and aggressive mode for an enhanced growl on open roads. This not only adds to the thrilling driving experience but also provides practical versatility for different driving conditions. Fuel efficiency is always a consideration with high-performance vehicles, and Chevrolet has managed to integrate cylinder deactivation technology, which allows the V8 engine to operate on fewer cylinders under light loads. This enhances fuel economy without sacrificing power when it's needed. The 2025 Impala SS 454 is expected to deliver an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, respectable figures for a car of this caliber. For technology enthusiasts, the Impala SS 454 includes an advanced performance data recorder, which captures real-time telemetry data, lap times, and video footage for those who want to analyze their driving performance. Wireless charging, a premium Bose audio system, and a customizable ambient lighting system further enhance the modern driving experience. Chevrolet offers various customization options for the 2025 Impala SS 454, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicle to match their preferences. Available paint finishes include classic SS colors such as torch red, midnight black, and arctic white, along with unique two-tone combinations for a more retro-inspired look. Performance packages include upgraded suspension tuning, track-focused tires, and a carbon fiber aero kit for those seeking an even more aggressive stance. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 454 is more than just a high-performance sedan. It's a statement of power, heritage, and modern innovation. It delivers breathtaking acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and a luxurious interior, making it an ideal choice for those who demand both speed and sophistication. Whether cruising through city streets or dominating the open highway, the Impala SS 454 is built to impress, setting a new benchmark for modern American muscle sedans.